So guys, we are back in the workshop again. I feel like I never leave this bloody place. Anyway, what we are doing today, not sure what the title was going to be yet, but I originally came in to tint my front headlights, which we said we were going to do in a previous video. I'm also thinking about getting the grills out, wrapping them bits chrome, wrapping the chrome bits black, and also wrapping these top bits black. I'm not sure yet because I obviously originally came in to do that, but on inspection, that's what I was going to say. Bloody fucking alarm. Anyway, as you can see here, there's water all in my headlight. It's just impossible to film here. Alright guys, so we are back after that bloody fit of the alarm. I think it's going to go off again. Basically, we've got a sensor on our new door the other side, and if you walk in and out of it, it beeps 3 times to let us guys over this side know that there's someone over that side. But yeah, they're walking in and out, moving bits about, so we're going to have to put up with it. Anyway, as you can see, this light is fully condensated up in here, over this side, and a lot of you guys will know that my Fiesta was like that as well. So I'm just cursed with this problem. But anyway, what we have noticed is there is a crack on the inside of the headlight right there, and upon inspection, the whole headlight is like not even in there properly, because this is broken right here. So first thing I'm going to do is try and get this corner of the bumper off so I can get that headlight out, and then we're going to try and plastic weld that on. I'm going to try and align the headlight a little bit better, and then we're going to get to machine polishing the headlights, making them brand new again, and then hopefully we'll get to tinting them. I want to do that first before we start wrapping the grills, so I'm going to get to doing that now. Alright, so guys, I actually completely forgot about how crap the sound is on my phone when I'm in this little box room here that you can see. Obviously, when I'm in this little room here, my voice gets really bad. But the light, I'm going to quickly show you it. Actually, you know what? I'll bring it over here. So basically, this is obviously the light with all the condensation in it. The crack is in this corner, which turns out I've just washed my hands, so then I can start doing it. I'm not even showing you either. Basically, where the crack is, there's actually quite a big hole. So what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to get a heat gun, see if I can pull this whole front off of the light. I'm going to wipe it all out properly, hopefully, and then I'm going to seal that up. I'm going to use some of our gasket sealer on it. Doesn't matter if it's black really, because you're not going to see that sitting up against the bumper. I could barely see that before, so yeah, but it does look like someone has hit it right here. You can sort of see that mark on the camera, which has then caused it to break the mount up here and then crack it. Also guys, a lot of you won't know because I haven't even posted this on Instagram, but my car actually, this happened about a week ago. It happened last Sunday. Today is Saturday. This happened last Sunday. I'm still trying to like work towards getting the footage of where I was parked from CCTV to try and see what the fuck caused this. But my car has been hit. You can see it's obviously all dented in down the door here and all dented up here. And my handle is pushed in. That's not my door bent. The door's just not shut properly, but the handle is pushed in a bit. So yeah, we're trying to work on sorting that out, but I think my headlight may have been done at the same time that happened, because whoever hit it cleared off. They didn't leave a note, nothing, and that's why we're still in the process of trying to get CCTV footage of what happened. So yeah, I'm going to leave that at that. I'm going to try to sort this headlight out, see what I can do with it, and then I'm going to get back to you guys once that's done, and we will actually get to what we're meant to be doing here today. get that out of there before I forget it. Oh no. There we go. Alright, so bit of plastic is down now. I don't know if you guys noticed that. I can't remember if I said about it. I will put up a picture right here. But yeah, that bit of plastic was bent right up into the grill. I'm trying to talk really quietly so only my phone picks up and not the echo of this room. We'll see how that goes. Anyway, light is all back on. This is all glued up, whatever you want to call it. I've also patched up the little hole around here. You cannot see it at all. You can't even see the crack anymore really, which I've just realised, so that's bloody good. So hopefully no more condensation in that light. So what I'm going to do is, while the bumper's off, I'm actually going to tint the bottom fogs, and I'm going to do my headlights as well, and hopefully get round to doing my grills. So yeah, I'm going to get to 200 grit sanding these lights, getting them all polished and buffed up really nicely, because the faces on them aren't really nice at the moment. So yeah, I'm going to sand these, get them really shiny, basically do a restoration on them, and then we're going to tint them. So yeah, I'll get back to you probably when I've done the tint, because you guys have already seen me tint lights before on my rear lights. If you haven't, make sure you go watch that video. I will put a link in this corner right here. Anyway, I'm going to get to doing that, so I will be back in just a minute. Alright, so guys, I just want to show you a quick midway progress. This light right here is basically done and ready to be tinted, but seeing it all clean and looking brand new makes me not want to tint it. I mean, this light here is halfway through. I'm just on the second stage of sanding it. It's all hazy at the moment, but I'm going to show you what that's going to look like after I've machine polished it. But yeah, I'm still going to tint them, but God, it's so satisfying seeing a light that you're used to seeing in a shit way, in a good way, if you know what I mean. But anyway, I'm going to get to doing that side. I'll show you what that looks like briefly afterwards, and then I'm going to tint the lights. Alright, so guys, the lights are now prepped and ready to be tinted. So I'm going to go up there, if you can see that, and grab the light smoke and do light smoke on the front lights. I am tempted to change these lights to light smoke as well. I'm not sure yet though. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I'm not entirely sure yet. I do like this look, but I do think it looks a lot like very chavvy, so I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I'm going to grab the light smoke, do my front lights, and we'll see how the hell it goes from there. I'm not going to redo these today, but it's something that I have thought about doing. You guys also haven't seen that I tinted the windows. I don't think you have. I don't know if No, I never filmed a video on that. Only because I have actually got to redo this rear window again, because there is, you can't really see it because of the rain, but there is a little bit of a mark, an area here where there's a mark in the window where I fucked right up, so I've got to redo that back window. But I was gonna originally add the whole thing into a different video of some sort, but then everything got put on hold. I did these a week before last weekend. You have to wait a week before you do anything with them anyway, really, like putting windows down and stuff. So I thought I'd just leave it a week and then let you guys know. But I'm gonna get around to tinting them lights and stop chatting shit. I'm even going as far as to restoring the fog lights. So halfway through this one, just started this one. Got to go over that one with 2000 sand, grit, whatever you want to call it. This one I've just gone over with 1500. So yeah, I'm even going as far as restoring the fog lights. Anyway, I'm going to get back to doing that, and I will catch up with you guys in a minute. Alright, I'm really struggling with keeping the stability of this video alive, but handheld phone. Oh, I just literally washed my hands. Oh, that's glue. Right, so lights are tinted, fog lights are all tinted. They are, oh, I don't want to pick this up because I've just washed my hand to do some wrapping, but they are all tinted. I'm literally now just took the chromes out of the grills. I've washed them all up, hence why I washed my hands. We're going to start wrapping them black, and then I've got a couple of screws here, here and here, and here, here and here, to take these little chrome bits off, and then we're going to wrap them black as well. So yeah, just a little update. Oh, I keep standing on shit. We're now going to wrap them, and then I'm probably going to get on to wrapping them, and then get this all back together, bumper back on, and we'll see what it looks like afterwards. I'm so happy that bit of plastic bent down properly. Anyway, let's get to actually doing what I'm supposed to be doing. Alright guys, we are all back together. Car is fully tinted. Grills are wrapped. You can't really see much in here because it picks up on all the light in the background. But yeah. Grills all wrapped. Lights are all tinted. And I'm happy. I'm still not keen on this front bumper though. But we'll see. We'll see what's going to come next. I don't know what that hand wavy thing was. But anyway, yeah, we're all done. I'm going to pull it outside and try not to hit the Aston Martin. And I'll get back to you in a minute. Alright guys, so this is currently being filmed 2 days after I actually done the lights and the grille. I've just got round to doing the editing on the video and found out that when I got right to the end I didn't do an outro. So this is going to be the little outro. I'm now going to show you around the front of the car and then the video is going to be over. So I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Leave a like if you wish. Maybe leave a comment. And I will see you guys in my next video hopefully.